This is Vincent, 34, though he swears he's 27, and honestly, we believe him. An organizer, a host, a choreographer, a creator. He's learned that to everything there truly is a season. And this season, it's his season to glow and give exactly what was meant. Shine in your season. Sip with pride.